Hey everyone, welcome back to Grow Roots. This is Shannon, and today I'm going to be planting up my 3 hanging planters for my back patio that are in the shade. Okay, so I chose some impatiens for these 3 hanging planters. I needed a plant that will work really well in the shade and something inexpensive as well. What I really wanted to do was Proven Winners Double Up Pink Begonia, but I can't find them anywhere. I did eventually find some pink begonias with green leaves, but I had already bought some impatiens, so yeah, I got a lot of impatiens. And this way too, because I got them inexpensively, I'm going to really fill these guys up, and I'm going to show you a new technique for a really full hanging basket. So here we go. Let's get started. Okay, I changed the angle. Hopefully you guys can see. Hopefully it's not too dark, but here we go. Let's get started. I'm going to start with one of these white ones. Gonna get this out. Okay. Super well rooted. Super cute little white one. Aw, he's so sweet. Okay, I did water these beforehand. Maybe not as well as I should have, but still should be. It's still nice and moist, so it should be okay. So what I'm gonna do is find one of my holes like that and push this guy through. I still think I need to make these holes bigger. So question is, should I push it all the way through or not? I think I'm just gonna do that. It's gonna look a little bit funny until it all grows in, but look how cute. Okay, and if you want to see what it looks like inside, that root ball's just kind of sticking in there, and it'll be surrounded in soil, and I'll give it lots of fertilizer. It'll be just fine. So now I'm gonna do the other ones. We're gonna do a cute pink one. I love this color pink. It's kind of like a bubblegum pink. Wow, these are really well rooted too. Look at that. Super cute. Okay. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to make these holes even bigger. Oh boy. Kind of force it in. It barely fits between like even the metal slats that I have there. So there we go. That actually worked. You see that? That's going to look really pretty. I'm starting to get excited about this, actually. Okay, let me do the other 2. So I have this purple color. This is more purpley. I know it looks pink on camera, but it's definitely more purple. Okay. Kind of difficult to get those guys. I really wish I could have, I don't know why, I could not find these smaller packs with the colored impatiens. Initially, Walmart had them when they first started putting out their annuals, but I didn't pick them up then, and now they're gone. Okay, perfect. And now the question is, oh yeah, no, I wouldn't do that. Okay. All right, I think I'm going to pick one of these pink guys. These are actually from Callaway's, so slightly different, but different shape too. We'll see how this goes. That looks pretty good. Ay. Okay, where's my hole over here? There it is. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit this big square thing in there. We'll have to see. Yikes. Okay. I'm going to have to force it. It'll be just fine like that. Okay. Okay, I just put my hair up. It was getting in the way. Hope that looks okay. I want to show you what it looks like down in there. and I should still have some room. I'll have to finagle definitely to get others in there, but looks really good already. Look at that. So pretty. I'm going to be hanging down. Okay, so let me fill this with potting soil. Get my gloves on. Okay, here we go. I'm going to really, yeah, isn't that fun? My microphone. There it goes. My microphone just fell into the soil. Isn't that fun? Let me put that back on. Okay, hopefully that doesn't happen again. Okay, I'm shaking the dirt to make sure that it really gets down in there. These plants are going to need that dirt under there for sure. Get them steady. Okay, and then the other thing that I'm going to do is I need to put biotone in there. So I use this whenever I plant anything. It's a stoma biotone starter. Helps the plants get their start, helps the roots to get healthy and strong, and I really feel like success it comes whenever I use biotone for sure. So that's why I use it all the time now. So I just gave it a good dose, and it's okay if it touches the roots. No big deal. I need to put a little bit in there. Okay. Now let's see what I can get on top here. So I'm definitely going to put a couple of these whites and just a couple of the colors. Okay, so trying to figure out, I'm just going to lay them in there right now. So right here. Okay, so here's where I'm a little concerned. I don't know if this is going to fit, but yeah, I mean, there's a little spot that I could put it in for sure, where it'll be just fine. And I've got that white one right there. And let's see if I can do, I'm trying to divide these evenly. So I've used, yeah, maybe one more white on this side. Actually, I think what I should have done is done this here and this here. And then I need one more to go right here. And I'll try my red stripe. See how that goes. Okay, the good news about these is that they're shallow, so they totally could go on top of the ones that are on the side, and it's no problem. So, yeah. So there's our plant, if you can see it. I'll fill it with some soil, add some more biotone, and then I'll show you. All right, I think that's beautiful. Let's see if I can show you how that goes. So, I know it looks a little bit bare in there. And maybe I should add another white one now that I'm looking at it. But that is really pretty. Let me do the rest of them, and then whatever's left I'll kind of throw in there. Okay, let me put this one down. Okay, so I'm just going to pot up the rest. You've seen basically the process, and then I'll show you all of them when I'm done. Okay, I just wanted to show you my second one because I feel like it turned out better than the first. I used 4 in the center rather than 3. It looks a lot fuller, and then it's got the impatiens on the side as well. So that one looks better. I'll probably have to redo the first one. And these were slanted out towards the side as well, as opposed to like sticking straight up in the middle. They're slanted out towards the side. So that looks a lot better actually. Okay, so here's how they turned out. I used every single impatient plant that I possibly could. So the top has, I think, like 5 different plants, and then around the sides it has 4 different plants. Looks a little bit funky right now, maybe, but I think they'll fill in beautifully, and I think it'll look really, really nice and full in hopefully just a matter of 4 weeks, 6 weeks, maybe. So stay tuned for an update on those. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what they looked like in their final hanging spots. This is right off of my back porch. There are 3 pillars, each with 3 plant hangers, and that is where they will be. They are hooked up to irrigation, if you can see those irrigation tubes, so they will get lots of water, and hopefully they will grow and get to be super full and look like a sphere when they are done, like the picture that I just showed you. That's the vision that I have. But I thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and have a fantastic day, everyone.